Hello students, today I will perform one activity in which I will tell you how we test from turmeric indicator. Okay, so I will prepare one turmeric card. You can check how what I have done and how I have used this turmeric card to check whether the solution is acidic or basic. So now the material I have with me to prepare this activity. You can see this is turmeric powder, this is lemon juice, this is detergent powder, and here in this glass there is a water. So now what I will do, I will make a turmeric paste. I will add few drops of water to prepare turmeric paste. So this is my turmeric paste that I have prepared by adding few drops of butter. Now this turmeric paste I will apply with the help of cotton to this paper. You can use paint brush also. Now you can see gently I have applied turmeric in this paper. Now you see I have applied paste all over the paper and now I will allow this paper dry for some time. Till that we can make a detergent solution. This is our detergent solution. This is our detergent solution that we can stir with a cotton bud. Now see what I will do. First, I will test with lemon juice. Now you can see the effect of lemon juice on turmeric paper. You can see the paper turn yellow as it was before. It means turmeric on adding acidic solution on turmeric paper, it will turn yellow in color. Now let it do with the base. What happened with the basic solution? See here, you can see color changes. The color changes to reddish brown. It indicates the presence of basic solution. Now, from this activity, it is confirmed from acidic solution, turmeric paper turns yellow, whereas from basic solution, it turns reddish brown. Hope you like this activity. Thank you, students.